Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to enable or disable the emergency line keeping. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then you need to find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now let's use the upper menu and let's switch from driving control to the MG Pilot. As you can see here I have MG Pilot, and here you need to scroll down. Let's scroll down enough to find here the emergency lane keeping. Let's read the theory about it. So it monitors the surrounding environment information while driving. When there is a collision risk between the vehicle and object in the adjacent lane, actively intervene to help the vehicle stay within its line. This can achieve alerting and corrective assistance. I think it's really crucial to have this enabled. So as you can see, I've got this feature enabled. But if you find or if you need to disable this feature, you can use this feature. Of course, you need to confirm it, tap confirm, and that's it. You just disable emergency lane keeping. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.